Congratulations on showing interest and taking the first step towards unlocking the true potential of your child. The very fact that you are here indicates that you have a vision for your child and you want your child to be future ready. You believe in holistic learning. School teaches you what to study, but does not teach you how to study. School wants you to deliver assignments on time, but does not teach you how to manage time and prioritize. School wants cent% results, but school does not decode the mindset of a topper. Now you must be thinking why you should be listening to me. Hey there, I'm Sandhya Bajaj, CEO and founder of Sandhya Bajaj Academy. And after having worked with thousands of parents and children and conducting several workshops in reputed international schools, I can say this with 100% conviction. How to think, how to plan, how to strategize, most important life skills are never taught in schools. There is a gap, and we as parents have to fill in the gap. In fact, even the word topper is overrated. So if you think a topper is a child who secures an 80% plus or a 90% plus, let me tell you, the child did not become a topper overnight. Every successful person has their own share of setbacks and failures. Well, in my definition, a topper is anyone who makes gradual progress, daily progress, beats his own record. A topper is consistent and disciplined. So if you wish to enjoy successful and stress-free parenting, I invite you to simply click on the link below. No child is average or mediocre. With the right guidance and mentorship, any child can be transformed. If you resonate with me, simply click on the link below, book your appointment, and I see you on the other side.